everybody to our champion who has made us proud. To put a mic on and applaud to our champion.
Buonasera a tutti. Buonasera.
Congratulations.
Bravo.
Congratulations.
Ahmed Abdullah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Your face is changed now. You are big difference.
Ahmed Abdullah.
Congratulations, my brother.
I greet you, madam. Thank you very much.
Rex, instead of saying what you feel, you just what's in it? Tell us about your feelings. Explain.
Yes, I have to greet my fellow students, where at the beginning I was nervous. I cannot lie. Even yesterday evening, I could not sleep.
No, wait. Tell me about the time when you joined the class. You've done us how much? You've done only 2 months in the course with us, right?
Yes, just 2 months.
Just 2 months you've done. And in the beginning, you were finding it difficult. You said, maybe I don't know if you can do it or not, remember? So you tell all that so they know that they are also going through the same emotions you went through in the beginning.
Yes.
Now that you have success, this will give them a real good feedback so they know that they can have faith. Tell me.
Yes, what I want to advise my fellow students of Ambrish Patente, at the beginning when I start, it was somehow to me, but on the long run, I was getting it where I get to where I am now. So I will urge you guys, I will advise you guys to keep calm and go along with it, even if you are not, maybe the voice might be strange to you. I mean, the Mr. Ambrish voice, but with time, it took me a couple of days before I could cope with the voice. So I get used to it. You understand? So that is my encouragement for you guys. And I wish you all success.
Okay.
Like mine.
Yeah, you tell me about that. You were afraid. You didn't want to take the exam in the beginning. So I'll take that date later on when I come back from Africa, when I get married, and then I'll do the exams. You said that, right? Because you didn't trust you would be passing.
Yes, because in few days' time, I will go into Africa, Nigeria. So I was like, let me go and come back. But Mr. Ambrish insists that, no, you cannot go. Die, rest, perforce. Go and do the exam first before you go. With this, you can have your followers first. I said, no, we just try. We said, no, it was forcing me. So I have to go. So, but now I'm happy I got it now. So next weekend, I'll be in Africa by God's grace.
We will be praising for you. What a lovely. I really was so touched when I heard, because I knew I told you to go. And I said, I hope that he will really pass because you are nervous, but I didn't know about that. But then you called and said that I passed. Only one error. You're a champion, Rex. You're an absolute champion.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ambrish. I'm very happy.
Now you can tell it your pidgin English. So all of us you can talk. So you want to ask questions? Victoria, Ebreche, and Princess Tina, if you have any questions, you can ask him in your own language so he can tell you how he feels. Tell me, Babarek, give vent to your feelings and tell them what you feel and how you don't know.
Yes, my people.
No, tell me.
Make una no fear. The exam not be like the way una think and say it be. The exam they very easy. Do you understand? All what you would teach here, now they come out from that place. The difference between, say, if they use computer for your house, that place na computer. They will teach you how you go to operate, even if you don't know them. No fear, relax your mind. You understand? When I kind of mind, calm down. The exam, not they hard, very easy. The one they do for class and they hard pass. Very, very easy. I know, now what I read, now I come outside. But some areas, which I call the experts, not being there, come outside, but always, they give me 20 minutes. Before 10 minutes, I don't answer my question, finish. You understand? So I come out with just one error.
Congrats.
So I go advise, thank you very much. I go encourage you now, I'm not fear, I'm not put my mind down. Even if I don't hear language at all with Mr. Ambrish Quick Patente, when I go hear him, when I go pass him, men don't pass for your hand without, they speak the language. When you come, someone not think calm. All you need to do, bring your mind down. What do you not know? Ask them. When would they get signed for Patente obligatorio? And so you see, get the obligatory to ask your teacher, you don't know this one, I know this one. So you understand? So the only fight bring one big on our mind down. That is my advice for you guys. I wish you all the best.
Okay, very, very good. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. We made
Mr. Ambrish, I will do a video for you. Somebody ask question.
Yeah, anybody has a question? Anybody have a question to ask? You can ask Rex. If it makes you feel happy, if things you're doubting, you don't know, you can ask him in your language. If you don't have a question, it's okay. I mean, I'm just letting you know. You're free to ask a question if you feel like.
Don't leave us, so rest. You don't leave us.
Violence. I still deal with now. Still deal with now. Don't worry. Still deal with now. Might tell you, try focus, not fear. They ask question. If you don't open your mouth, and you know go lost. But if you close your mouth, you go lost. Open your mouth. They ask question. Be vibrant. Be vigilant. Do you understand? What do you not know? Ask.
Okay. All right. Now I stop this.